Over the years, I've noticed something interesting in team environments. There are certain professionals who people trust almost immediately. And it's not because they're the loudest voice in the room, and it's sometimes not even because they have the most experience. And also, it's not usually because they give the most impressive, fancy speeches. It's because of small, consistent communication behaviors. I really started paying attention to those patterns by watching how these trusted professionals handled pressure, handled questions, and also how they handled uncertainty. And what became very clear to me is this: trust isn't built through personality, it's built through signals. So today, I'm going to share 4 behaviors I've seen repeatedly in professionals who earn trust quickly and they can keep it. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Frustrated to Fluent. I'm Devon Bruce. I'm founder and CEO of the English Communication Academy, and we are here to talk about what really happens when communication breaks down in healthcare. If you work in healthcare and you've struggled to find the right words in high stakes moments, I created a short guide called 10 Phrases Every Healthcare Professional Should Know. You can download it below or go to frustratedtofluent.com to learn more. Now, trust is the invisible currency at work. When teams trust you, projects move faster. And when leaders trust you, your ideas can carry a lot more weight. When clients trust you, decisions happen with less friction. But trust doesn't usually come from grand, big gestures. In most workplaces, it's built through small, consistent actions that signal reliability over time. And once you start noticing those signals, you see them everywhere. So let's break down 4 that show up again and again and people instinctively trust. All right, let's get into it. The first pattern I consistently see is this: trusted professionals make their reasoning visible. They don't just give opinions, they show how they got there. So instead of saying, we need to change this process, you'll hear something like, I reviewed last quarter's data and we're seeing a 20% error rate with the current workflow. Based on that, this adjustment could reduce delays, and here's why. That shift changes everything. It moves communication from trust me to here's what I'm seeing. When people understand your thinking, they don't just hear your conclusion, they see your logic. And that transparency builds trust faster than confidence alone ever could. Another pattern I see in highly trusted professionals is how they handle pressure. And that's huge in healthcare. So when questions get difficult, or when pushback appears, or when tension rises, and they pause, not because they don't know the answer, but because they're choosing their response. That pause communicates 2 very important things. First, it signals that they're actually listening and not just emotionally reacting. And second, it projects steadiness because a rushed response can feel defensive and a calm response feels controlled. Even something simple like, that's a good point. Let me think about that for a moment. That one saying can shift the emotional tone of an entire conversation. And emotional steadiness is one of the fastest ways to build trust. Now, one of the fastest ways to lose trust is vague communication. And I'm sure that you've heard updates like this: we ran into some issues, and that's it. That kind of language creates uncertainty, and uncertainty completely erodes trust. Trusted professionals, however, they do the opposite. They replace vagueness with clarity. So instead of saying, we're experiencing delays, they might say something like, we're looking at a 3-day delay because vendor X mixed their deadline. And that affects integration at this stage. That level of clarity does 2 things: it shows competence and it also shows respect, because clarity, it tells people you deserve to understand what's actually happening, even when the message isn't perfect. And finally, the foundation of trust is consistency. I cannot stress this enough. Trusted professionals are predictable in the best way. If they say they'll follow up, you know they will. If they commit to something, you don't have to double check. Over time, people begin to rely on that alignment between words and actions. And psychologically, consistency creates safety. So when your tone, your words, and your follow through all match, people stop questioning your reliability and they stop wondering what you really meant. And that alone creates long term trust. So when you think about trust, don't think personality, think patterns. Trusted professionals don't rely on charisma, they make their thinking visible. So they pause before reacting. They replace vagueness with clarity, and they also follow through consistently. These are not personality traits, they're communication signals. And once you recognize them, you can start using them intentionally. Because in most workplaces, trust does not come from being impressive, being the most charismatic, being the biggest personality in the room. It comes from being clear, steady, and reliable, especially when pressure is high. All right, if this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe. I post new videos each week to help you build real world communication skills in your professional life. And if you work in healthcare and if you've ever struggled to find the right words in a high stake environment, I created a short guide called 10 Phrases Every Healthcare Professional Should Know. You can download it below, or you can go to frustratedtofluent.com to learn more. And if you liked this video, check these other ones out too. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Take care.